Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your loving Firoz sir, and today I will teach you in both bilingual language, in Hindi also and in English also, because there are many comments are coming and it was saying that to please teach in bilingual language. So today I am going to teach you the operation of BODMAS in bilingual language. So today we are going to start the operation of BODMAS. For that we have to understand what is the full form of BODMAS. For that, here we can write here B O D M A S. Here B stand for what? B stand for bracket. B stand for bracket. O stand for order. O stand for order and D stand for division. M stand for multiplication. A stand for addition and S stand for subtraction. So I hope so you all are aware of it, but this term I think this order, this type of question, one example I am giving you: 2 divided by 4 multiply 5 plus 2 square. So this is the example of to solve the order term. So here there are a lot of mathematical operation symbol we are using, but first what we will solve? First we will solve this, because this comes under order. It comes under order, so everything will be same as it is, but first we will solve this. So 2 divided by 4 multiply by 5 plus 2 square 2. It means 2 multiply by 2 we will get 4. So this 2 to the power 2 is the order. So first we have to solve this. So now I am going to take many example for this BODMAS or operation of BODMAS. So first question now I am going to take. So you can see or you can write with me. Question number first. 5 1 by 2 plus middle bracket, small bracket, 2 3 by 5 minus 1 3 by 4 bracket closed, multiply 5 middle bracket closed. So now one question I have written on the blackboard related to operation of BODMAS. So you can see here now, first it is in the mixed fraction. First we have to convert this mixed fraction into fraction. So here 5 times 2, 2 5 is 10 plus 1, 11 by 2 plus 5 2 is 10 plus 3, 13 by 5 minus 4 1 is 4, 4 plus 3, 7 by 4. Here bracket close, multiply 5, then curly bracket. Again 1 by 2 plus curly bracket start. Here we will take LCM. In the previous class I told you how to take LCM. So on that how we have done? We have taken the greater one. हम लोगों ने क्या किया था कल? नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में जो बड़ा रहता है उसका टेबल लिखते हैं. So first one time I am writing, next time I will not write. Okay. So here I am writing the table of the greater one. Which one is greater? 5. So we will write the table of 5. So here we can see this 20. It will come in 4 table also and 5 table also. So LCM will be 20. And next a step was to first divide, then multiply. Denominator divide, and then what we will get? We will multiply from the numerator. So here we will divide 5 by 20. We will get 4. 4 multiply by 13. So we will get here 52 minus 4 divided by 20. We will get 5. 5 multiply 7, 35. So here bracket close, multiply by 5, curly bracket. 1 by 2 plus this we will subtract here 7 and 4 minus 3 1 20 multiply by 5. Now here 5 times 1 this 4 11 by 2 plus 7 by 4. Here again we will take LCM, it will come 4. 2 times 2 multiply by 11 22 plus 4 times 4 1 1 multiply 17 17. Again here we can write 9 and 3 by 4. So this will be the correct answer for this solution. So again we will take another question related to this BODMAS. There will be a lot of question we are solving in this video. So please stay with me to understand the operation of BODMAS. Now I am going to write the second question. 40 plus bracket 5 multiply curly bracket 9 minus bracket 1 2 by 3 multiply 1 by 5. Small bracket, middle bracket, and lastly this bracket. So I have written the question on the blackboard as you can see here. So now we are going to solve this question. So here initially what I have written, the full form of BODMAS. This is the full form and this is the way to solve. First in the question, first we will solve the bracket one. Which one is under bracket? First we will solve this one. Then after order, which one will be in the power or exponent, that one we will solve. It is not here mentioned. Then division, division is not there. Multiplication, then multiplication, addition, it is addition there, subtraction, subtraction. So it is an order, it is an order to solve the question serially according to increasing order. Now you will see here how we will solve this question. First we will solve this bracket portion. So under bracket what is written here? 9 minus, here it is written in mixed fraction. First we will convert this into fraction. So 3 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 5. So 5 by 3 multiply 1 by 5. So here bracket close, curly bracket, then middle bracket, large bracket. So here you can see 5 5 1 times it will be cut. Then again we will write 40 plus bracket under 5 multiply bracket 9 minus, here we will get here 1 by 3. Here nothing, then 1 we can take here, then curly bracket, then large bracket. Again 40 plus 5 multiply, again we will take here LCM, it will come 3. 1 divided by 3 3, 3 multiply by 9 27 minus 3 3 1 1 multiply 1 1. Again 40 here plus bracket 5 multiply 26 by 3. 40 plus, here it will not cut, then simply we will multiply there. 5 this we will multiply 100. It is a very easy way to multiply this type of question. 26 multiply 5. What we do, we multiply this with this, but it is not a correct way. If you want to get the answer in a very short interval of time, so for that you have to multiply not this. First we have to multiply 5 times 2. We will get 10, but it is in tens place. Ones place it is, tens place it is. So already it is in 10 place. So we will put 5 to the 10. So 10 in due to its 10 position we will write 1 0 more. Then 5 6 is 30. Simply we will add here and we will get here 130. So here 130 by 3. Now again here nothing is there in the denominator, we can write 1. Again we can take LCM, we can remove first bracket, then after we will do this LCM. 3 divided by 3 multiplied by 40, 120 plus 130. So here we will get 250 by 3. So this will be the correct answer for this question. I hope you are getting my point. Now I am going to take another question. Here you can see question number 3. Question number 3. 2 1 by 2 plus curly bracket 3 by 4 multiply bracket 1 by 2 plus 2 by 5, then after minus 2 1 by 2, here bracket close, curly bracket also close, and here middle large bracket is also close, and here large bracket is there. So if this type of question is given, then how we will solve this? So you please stay with me so that you will get understand how to solve this type of question. First question is given in a mixed fraction, so first we will convert this mixed fraction into fraction. So 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 by 2 plus this large bracket, then curly bracket 12 plus 3, 15 by 4 multiply, then again bracket is there, we will take LCM, it will come 10 divided by 10, 5 5 1 5 plus 2 2 to the 4 minus here curly bracket and large bracket here we will put, then minus 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1 5 by 2. Now bracket 5 by 2 plus curly bracket 15 by 4 multiply 9 by 10, here curly bracket and large bracket minus 5 by 2. Here if it is possible to cut, we can cut. In the table of 5 3 times, in the table of 5 2 times. Now it will not cut, so simply we will write ahead 3 times 9 is 27 by 8, bracket close, minus 5 by 2. So here again we will solve this under bracket according to this BODMAS rule. We will solve this. See here first is bracket now, so here we will solve first bracket one, not this and this. So first we will solve under the bracket, so LCM will be 8, then after we will divide 2 by 8, then we will get 4 multiply by 5, then we will get 20 plus 8 times 8 1 multiply by 27, here bracket close, minus 5 by 2. So here we will get 47 by 8 minus 5 by 2. Again here we will take LCM of 8 and 2, it will come 8. 8 times 8, first here we divide, then we will get 1 multiply 47 minus नीचे वालों को नीचे वाला से हम लोग फर्स्ट डिवाइड करते हैं, तो 2 के टेबल में 8 4 टाइम्स 4 multiply 5 we will get 20. So here 47 minus 20 is 27 divided by 8. So this is the correct answer of this question. I hope you understood. Now first, second and third question we have completed. So now we will move ahead to the question number 4. 4, 5, 6 and 7 we will solve many questions, so please stay with me so that you will get to know about the operation of BODMAS very clearly. So now we are going to solve next question, that is question number 4. 2 1 by 2 plus under bracket 5 multiply curly bracket 16 minus bracket 3 1 by 4 minus 2 2 5, a small bracket, middle bracket, and then lastly this bracket. So I have written the question, you can see on the blackboard clearly. So here it is given the question. Now you can see here it is given mixed fraction is already given. So first what we have to do, we have to convert this mixed fraction into fraction. So 2 2 is 4, 4 plus 1, 5/2 plus, then curly bracket started, 16 minus 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13/4, then 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 2, 12/5. So here now 5/2 plus bracket start, curly bracket, 16 minus, we will take LCM 20. Again we will divide from this to this, we will get 5. 5 multiplied 13, we will get 65. 5 multiplied 13, 65. So here minus 5 times 24, 4 multiply 12, 4 multiply 12. Here we can, I told you this method to solve 4 multiplied 12. How we can solve? We will not multiply 4 2 is 8, 4 1 is 4, not like this. 4 1 is, here it is in tens place. 4 1 is 4, due to its position of tens place, we will write here 1 0, and 4 2 is 8. 4 2 is 8, simply we will add, then we will get 48. So here 48. Now bracket close, curly bracket, then again bracket. So here we will subtract this. Here what we are doing, first we are solving the bracket portion, because according to the operation of BODMAS, first what we have to solve, bracket, then after order, then after division, add, as so on. So here what we are doing, we are solving the bracket portion, and the rest of the thing we will write as it is, same. Curly bracket, 16 minus. Now here we will subtract. What we will get here, 7, and 1 we will give that side. Then what will here, 1, 5 1 by 20. Here 1 bracket is cancel out. So here we will get here, after subtracting, 17 by 20. So this one completed. Now this middle portion will complete. 5/2 plus under bracket 5 multiply, here nothing is there in the denominator, we can write here 1. Now we will take the LCM, 20, 21, 1 को 20 से डिवाइड करेंगे, then what we will get here, 20, 20 multiply by 16, 320 minus 20 times 21, 1 multiply 17, again 5/2 plus bracket start 5 multiply. Here we will subtract. In the denominator we will write 20. Now we will subtract here 3 0. Then again what we will get here, 3. So here you can see we will cut here with the table of 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 4 is 20. So here what we are getting, 5/2 plus 3 0 3 divided by 4. So here again we will take LCM, it will come 4. So 2 को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, we will get 2, and 2 multiply by 5, 10 plus 4 को 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे, we will get 1, 1 multiply 303. So simply we will add here 313 by 4. This will be the correct answer for this question. This is 4, no? This is 4, this denominator. So this is the correct answer for this question. Now we are going to the next question. This is question number 4. Now we are going to solve question number 5. So here now you can see how to solve this type of question. I am taking different type of question. So you see the question and try to solve by yourself also if you are able to solve. So here 1/2 under bracket plus 4/5 divided by 5/7 of 5/7 of 1, 17 by 25. So here I have taken one question like of. This of stand for order, and order means multiply. So here what is the rule? First we have to solve the bracket portion. So here we can see here the bracket portion is here. So we will take the LCM 3 and 2, we will get 6, and 3 को 6 से डिवाइड करेंगे, we will get 2, 2 multiply by 2 4. Similarly here 2 के टेबल में 6, 3 बार में 3 multiply 1 तो 3, bracket close, plus 4/5, and rest of the question as it is. We will not change any single thing. This will multiply, only the mixed fraction will convert into fraction. Multiply, then simply we will add 12 plus 1, 42 by 25. 25 1 is 25, and 25 plus this we will get 42. Now add 4 minus 3, 1 by 6, plus 4 by 5 divided by 5 by 7, and here you can see in the place of we can write multiply and 42 by 25. Here you can see after BODMAS, after B bracket we will solve the order, that is multiply. So here bracket portion we solve here. Now this off portion we will solve, this off portion, not divide. So here 7 के टेबल में एक बार में, ये 6 बार में, 5 के टेबल में एक बार में, ये 5 बार में. So here the rest is only 6 by 5. So here we can write 1 by 6 plus 4 by 5 divided by 6 by 5. One thing here you have to know about 2 by 5 divided by 20 by 10. If there is this type of question, 2 by 5 divided by 20 by 10. So in divide we can't cut this upper numerator and denominator. First this divide portion we will convert into multiplication. This divide symbol is converted into multiply. So here one change will be there. This denominator will go in numerator. So 10 by 20. Now we can cut here simply 2 times 2 1 ja, here 10, then again 2 times 5 we will get 1 by 5. What we have to know, जब हम लोग ये डिवाइड को मल्टीप्लाई में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, नीचे वाला ऊपर एंड ऊपर वाला नीचे. सो हियर सिमिलर क्वेश्चन इज देयर. हियर 1 by 6 as it is, then 4 by 5. हियर इन डिवाइड वी कान कैंसल. डिवाइड में हम लोग काट नहीं सकते, इसलिए डिवाइड को हम लोग क्या करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो डिवाइड को जब मल्टीप्लाई लिखेंगे तो जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो न्यूमरेटर के जगह जाएगा. तो हियर 5 by 6, देन 5 1 जा, 5 1 जा कैंसल आउट. 2 के टेबल में 2 बार में, ये 3 बार में. एंड हियर व्हाट विल गेट हियर 1 by 6 प्लस 2 by 3. नाउ इजीली वी कैन सॉल्व हियर. एलसीएम विल टेक 6, 1 plus 2 4 equal to 5 by 6. This will be the correct answer for this question. I hope you are getting my point, what I am going to try to say to you. Now coming to the next question. Coming to the next question, that is the question number 6. So you stay with me so that you will get to know in detail about this type of question. It is very essential question because it will help you in many type of mathematical calculation. So it comes under mathematical calculation. So here question number 6 I am going to write here. Now you can see here question number 6. 2 by 3, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 5 of 3 by 4 plus 3 by 8 divided by 9 by 10. So here again we will solve according to this order. First bracket we will see here if bracket is there or not. पहले हम लोग देखेंगे यहाँ ब्रैकेट है कि नहीं. तो हम लोग देख रहे हैं यहाँ ब्रैकेट नहीं है. Then next order means off, here is off. तो first we will solve this. तो whatever is given in the mixed fraction, first we will convert into fraction. 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 8 by 3 minus 1 by 5. This off we can write in multiplication. 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 3 15 by 4 plus 3 by 8. Rest of the question we will write as it is, we will change nothing. 5 बार में 1, ये 3 बार में. Then again we will write 8 by 3 minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 8. And earlier I told you here, if divisible is there, then we will convert into multiplication and numerator becomes denominator and denominators become numerator. So here divisible is there, so here we will write here multiplication and this numerator 9 will go in the denominator. So here we can cut 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10. अब हम लोग आगे क्या करेंगे, सिंपली 8 by 3 minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 12. So here what will come LCM? Which one is larger? 12. And in the table of 12 all will come. So here LCM will be 12. और 3 का टेबल में 12 4 बार में 4 मल्टीप्लाई 8 32 माइनस 4 के टेबल में 12 3 बार में 3 मल्टीप्लाई 3 9 प्लस 12 के टेबल में 12 एक बार में 1 मल्टीप्लाई 5 दिस इज 5. So here now you can see plus minus plus. So first what we will solve? We will solve this addition because addition comes before this subtraction. So first we will add this one and this one. So 32 plus 5 37 minus 9 by 12. So what we will get here after subtracting? We will get here 28 by 12. After subtracting we will get here what? 28 by 7. So now here we can cut in the table of 2 28 7 times and this is 3 times. So 7 by 3 is the correct answer for this question. I hope you are getting my point what I am trying to say. So please stay with me so that you are able to solve this type of numerical question. Now I am going to solve the next question, that is question number 7. You can say with me which is the question number. अब हम लोग क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 बनाने जा रहे हैं. So please stay with me so that you will get to know about this operation of BODMAS. Question number 7. 2 1 by 4 plus 1 3 by 4. It is in bracket divided by 3 2 by 3 plus 2 1 by 3. It will be in bracket divided by 2 by 3 and it is in the large bracket. So I have written the question on the blackboard. Now see how we will solve this type of question. First again according to this operation of BODMAS we will solve this type of question. First bracket, so first we will solve this bracket portion and rest of the question we will write as it is. Now you can see here it is in mixed fraction. First we will convert into fraction. 4 2 is 8 8 plus 1 9 by 4 plus 4 1 is 4 4 plus 3 7 by 4. Here bracket close. Now here next 3 3 is 9 9 plus 2 9 plus 2 11 by 3 plus 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7 by 3 2 by 3. It is divisible. Now we will take LCM. Earlier in the previous class I told you if denominator is same then it will be very easy for us. As it is we will write here 9 plus 7 divide. Again here denominator is same 3 11 plus 7 same it is we will write here. Now simply we will add here 16 by 4 divided here 18 by 3 divided by 2 by 3. Don't forget to write the bracket because we have to solve first bracket portion. So here 16 by 4, this I told you here if division is there then we will convert into multiplication, then numerators become denominator and denominators become numerator. Similarly this type of question 16 by 4 I have written here, then division is there we will convert into multiplication. So this will go up 3 by 18 then division by 2. Now here we will cut here 4 का टेबल में एक बार में ये 4 बार में, 3 का टेबल में एक बार में ये 6 बार में, 2 का टेबल में ये 2 बार में और 6 3 बार में. So here what we will get here 2 by 3 and division 2 by 3. So again what we have to do 2 by 3 this division is converted into multiplication and denominator will come in the numerator portion. So 3 by 2 3 3 2 2 cancel out. So what will be the answer? 1 will be the correct answer for this question. Now we are going to solve the next question, that is question number you say with me question number 8. So now I am going to write the question number 8. You can comment of this type of question if you are not able to solve. 3 4 by 5 minus 2 3 by 5 bracket close divide 4 3 by 5 minus 3 1 by 5 close. It is similar to question number 7, but I am writing here. If you have any doubt, then it will be clear in this question. 6 by 7. So this is the question. It is similar to question number 7. You can see here 3 4 by 5 minus 2 3 by 5 divided by 4 3 by 5 3 1 5 and lastly 6 by 7. Now you can see here, first what we have done here, first we solve under bracket portion. Similarly we will do here. First we will convert this mixed fraction into fraction. For this 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 4, 15 plus 4 19 by 5 minus 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 3 13 by 5. Divide here 5 4 is 20, 20 plus 3 23 by 5 minus 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 1 16 by 5 divided 6 by 7. Now here we will take LCM. I told you earlier, if the denominator is same, then it is very easy to solve. As it is we will write here, as it is, nothing we have to change. This 19 minus 13 divide 23 5 minus 16 divide 6 by 7. Now simply we will subtract here 6 and only 6 by 5. Divide here 4 3 7 by 5. Divide 6 by 7. So here divide will convert into multiplication. So 6 by 5 multiply. Now we are converting this division into multiplication. So the denominator will become numerator and numerator become denominator. So 5 by 7 divide 6 by 7. So here 5 5 cancel out one time. Then here it will be 6 by 7 divided by 6 by 7. Now again 6 by 7. This division portion will be converted into multiplication and it will be converted 7 by 6. Again it will be cancel out 1 by 1. We will get here answer 1. So in this type of question we can solve very easily. Now let's move ahead to the question number 9. Only 16 questions we will solve in this video. So stay with me so that you are able to understand this type of question. Now question number 9. Now you can see question number 9. 1 by 4, it is different type of question. 1 by 4 multiply 1 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 7 of 2 5 by 8. Now I have written the question on the blackboard. Now you see how to solve this type of question. First we will see here bracket. According to this, first is bracket. Here bracket is not given. Then after order, so order is given here of. So here the mixed fraction will convert into fraction and the rest of the question will write as it is. 3 1 is 3 plus 2 5 by 3 divide by 3 by 7. This of will write multiply and we will solve this multiply first, this portion, not division. 8 to the 16, 16 plus 5 21 by 8. So here we will solve this portion first, not this division portion, because it is of order, this order. So here 7 के टेबल में एक बार में, ये 3 बार में. Now it will not cut. Then ahead we will move 5 by 3 divided by 3 3 is 9 by 8. Now first division, divisible or multiple. So first is division. So first we will solve this portion. 1 by 4 multiply 5 by 3. This division is written as multiplication and it will 8 by 9. Earlier I said how it is coming. Now we will cut 4 times this 2 times. Now it will not cut. So 5 to is 10 by 3 9 जा 27. So this will be the correct answer for question number 9. Now we are going to solve question number 10. So stay with me so that you are able to understand all types of question related to both mass. It is very important topic because it is taught in all the classes 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In also in competitive exam, it is very important to understand. So here we are going to solve now question number 10. So question number 10, 3 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 7 under bracket of 1 2 by 3 multiply 2 by 3. Here I have written the question, in the place of 2 it is 1. So I have written the question on the blackboard as you can see here. Now we will solve this question. First what we have to solve, this bracket portion. 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 1 13 by 4 divided by 1 by 7. Rest of the question as it is, 3 1 is 3 plus 1 4 by 3 multiply 2 by 3. As it is we have written. Now this division is converted into multiplication. 13 by 4 multiply 7 by 1, so that it will be easy to solve. Of here nothing will be cut, so multiply 4 to the 8 by 9, and here also it will not cut, so 13 times 7 91 by 4. Of means multiply then 8 by 9. Again 4 times 4 के टेबल में एक बार में, ये 2 बार में, and it will not cut by all any table. So simply we will multiply. Here don't forget to give equal to. 91 multiply 2 182 by 9. So this will be the correct answer for this question. Now moving to the next question, that is question number 11. So after making these questions, you are able to solve all type of question related to both mass. So stay with me so that it will be easy for you to understand this type of question. Now we are going to solve question number 11. 2 7 by 2 2 7 by 8 divided 1 1 by 2 of 7 1 by 3. This video will be long, but it will be very useful for you. So I request you all to please watch this video completely so that you will be able to solve this type of question. So first we will solve here the bracket portion. It is given in the mixed fraction. First we will convert this into fraction. 8 2 is 16, 16 plus 7 23 by 8 divide 2 1 is 2 plus 1 3 by 2 of, again here mixed fraction, 3 7 is 21, 20 plus 22 by 3 divide 2 1 is 2 plus 1. Now 23 by 8 multiply, we will convert here divide into multiply. So here 2 by 3 bracket of 22 by 3 multiply 2 by 3. Here now if it is not cutting, then 23 by 8 2 by 3, this off, 22 by 3 multiply 2 by 3. So here it will be easy for us. I am not solving this portion because it is not cutting. Only here 2 times 4 it will be cut. केवल यहाँ पे ये कटेगा, तो हम नहीं काट रहे हैं क्योंकि this off will write here multiply, then it will be easy to cut here and there. So here this 2 4 times, again this 2 2 times 2 11 times. Here it is cut. Now nothing will cut. So simply we will multiply here 23 multiply 11. So it is a very easy way to multiply this 23 into 11. 23 into 11. First what we have to write, this one portion. Here whenever we multiply any number with 11, It is very, tomorrow I will teach you about the shortcut method to multiply this type of question. Okay. So today you focus here. So simply we will multiply here if 23 1 3 2 3 2 3 3 5 2 2 5 3. So here we will get here 2 5 3 and here 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So this will be the correct answer for this question. So here this type of question very short, how to solve this type of question in a very short interval of time, tomorrow I will discuss. Okay, and other question I will take to solve in a easy way. Now coming to the next question, we have solved question number 11. Now coming to the question number 12. 1 by 2 of 40 multiplied by 20. Now you can see here the question number 12, 1 by 2 of 40 multiplied 20. So here of and multiply is there, of here and multiply here, this. So first of is coming, this of portion, so first we will solve this, and of stand for multiply, 40 multiply 20, this 1 times, this 20 times. 2 multiply 2, 4, and there are 2 0, so we will put here 2 0, this will be the answer. I hope you are getting in a very easy way. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 13. It will be very easy for you after watching this video, and after making all these questions you will be able to solve all the operation of BODMAS. Now this is question number 13 I am going to solve. 3 by 5 of 6 1 by 8 divide 2 by 5 of 9 by 4 9 by 4. So I have written the question number 13 question. So you can see on the blackboard. Now we are going to solve this question. First we will solve this of portion. Of stand for multiply. 8 6 is 48 and 48 plus 1 49. Okay. Now divide 2 by 5 multiply 9 by 4. We will solve this portion first, not divide. So here it will not cut. It will cut, not cut. Here 2 10 एक बार में, ये 2 बार में. अब तो कुछ कटेगा नहीं. Now 3 by 5 multiply 49 by 8 divide here 9 by 10. Now here 3 by 5 multiply 49 by 8. This divide will be converted into multiply. Then denominator becomes numerator. Now we can see, we can cut here 3 times. 3 बार में, 5 के टेबल में 1 बार में, 10 2 बार में, 2 का टेबल में 1 बार में, 8 4 बार में. Now it will come, it will not cut by 3. So here 49 by 12 will be the answer of this question. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 14. It will be very easy for you to understand after watching this video. So please stay with me so that you will be able to solve this type of question. Now coming to the question number 14. 13 and 14. 2 by 5 of under bracket 1 by 2 minus 1 by 10. I know it will take too much time to see this video or to watch this video, but it will be very useful for your life. I have written the question, that is question number 14. Now we are going to solve this question. First we will solve this bracket portion. 2 by 5 of LCM 10, LCM 10, 2 का टेबल में 10, 5 बार में 5 मल्टीप्लाई 1, 5 माइनस 10 का टेबल में 10, 1 बार में 1 मल्टीप्लाई 1, 1 ऑफ 5 1 जा 5, 5 प्लस 2 7 by 5. 2 by 5 of 4 by 10 of, and here of stand for multiply. So here we will write in the place of multiply 4 by 10 multiply 7 by 5. So here if we can cut, simply we will cut 2 times 5. Now it will cut or not cut? Not, it will not cut. 4 7 ja 28 by 5 5 5 1 2 5. Tomorrow I will tell you about the multiplication and the short method how to solve or how to multiply. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 15. In the earlier time I told you we will solve at least 16 questions. So this is the question number 15, 4 by 9. After solving this type of question, you will be able to solve this type of mathematical equation question, and it will help you to grow in your life. Of 2 by 9 plus 3 1 by 5 multiply 0. If you multiply 0 with any number, we get 0. Here 0 is multiplying by this number. Anything will multiply with 0, then we will get 0. So in the next step we will not write that one. Of 36 plus 3 1 ja 3 plus 1 4 by 3 of 2 9 ja 18 18 plus 2 20 by 9, and it is 0 because 0 is multiplying with this table. So here 4 by 9 multiply 36, in the place of we are writing multiply. ठीक है, plus 4 by 3 multiply 20 by 9. Now you can see in the table of 2 it will come how many times? 4 times. Now it will come here 2 के टेबल में 2 बार में ये 9. Now what is rest? 4 multiply 4 16 plus this multiply this 40 and this is 9, nothing, then 1. LCM we will take 9. I told you how to take LCM. So which one is larger, we will take that one, and here larger is 9, so 9 will be the LCM. 1 के टेबल में 9 बार में 9 multiply this. So here 9 multiply this. I told you how to multiply, not simply this multiply this. 9 1 ja 9, 9 1 ja 9, and it is in the tens place, ones place, tens place. ये टेंस प्लेस में है, तो ये 9 1 जा 9 और टेंस प्लेस में होने की वजह से ये 0 हो गया, और 9 6 जा अगर नहीं आ रहा तो देन हम लोग 6 9 जा भी कर सकते हैं, दैट इज 54. तो 4 1 4, इट इज 144. सो हियर 144 प्लस 40. सो हियर विल गेट हियर 184 by 9. So this will be the answer for this question. So we have completed here question number 15. Now we are going to solve last question, that is question number 16. So stay with me for few minutes so that you will understand all type of mathematical operation of BODMAS. So last question I am going to solve, that is question number 16. 2 divided by 1 by 5 under bracket divided by 11 by 5 of 3 1 by 2. So I have written the question on the blackboard, that is question number 16. Now first we will solve the bracket portion as according to this order. First we will solve this bracket portion. 2 divided by 5 1 ja 5, 5 plus 1 6 by 5 bracket close, divided by 11 of 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 1 7 by 2. So here 2, this divide portion will convert into multiply, then it will be opposite, 5 by 6, 6 by 5, 2 1 ja 2 3 ja, divide 11 by 5 of 7 by 2. So here we will get 5 by 3 divide 11 by 5 of 7 by 2. Now off is there and divide, off is there and divide is there. First we will solve what? Off. So first we will solve this portion, and the rest portion we will write as it is. So यहाँ हम लोग देख सकते हैं ये अब कटेगा नहीं, तो सिंपली विल मल्टीप्लाई 11 by 5 डिवाइड विल मल्टीप्लाई हियर 77 by 10. Now what we will do here, in the next step we convert this multiply into divide into multiply. So 11 by 5 multiply 10 by 77. Here I converted this divide into multiply, so the numerator becomes denominator and the denominators become numerator. here we can see easily cut 5 times 1 to 11 के टेबल एक बार में, ये 7 बार में. So here we will get 2/7. So this is the correct answer for this question. I hope you understand this type of question how we are going to face. Now I am giving you one question to solve, and that question will be your homework. So as your homework, you take this question and try to solve, and tomorrow or on comments you tell me that solution or direct answer. HW, that is homework. 1/4 multiply 1/3 divided by 3/7 of 2 3/8. So this will be your homework, and I hope you understand this type of question and this series, that is Bodhmas. So for today it is enough, but I know today classes will be very long, but I hope you enjoy my class, and I request you all to please watch my video so that you will understand this type of operation of Bodhmas. And after solving this type of question, then you will be able to solve all type of question related to Bodhmas. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for your love. Thank you so much.